Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to color code subjects in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to color code subjects in Notion, all you gotta do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, all you gotta do now is get logged in into your account. After getting logged in into your account as well, you can simply do the color coding, as Notion has the most effective way to color code subjects by using the database property like select or multi-select tags. So this method allows you to assign specific consistent color to each subject, which then automatically reflects across different database, example table, board, or calendar. So you can select the multi select properties. So you can create or edit your database, add new property by tapping on the plus icon, and once you simply tap on the plus icon, you can define your subject, assign your colors by tapping on the three dots. You can simply do it by a single click, assign different colors, and apply to entries. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.